Hi, hello friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene and I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. Today I am sharing something I got from Estee Lauder. If you follow me much, you know that I'm a real big fan of Estee Lauder foundations. And I always buy things when they have their specials and the sales. So this time wasn't any different. So I'm going to share, but I'm also going to do... well, I'll just show you what I'm going to do. So let's just get started. Okay, friends. Now, I just want to say thank you for being here. I love your support. You can, if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and like this video. That would really help my channel. And I do appreciate that. So let's just get going here. Okay, so I did get a box of goodies from Estee Lauder. You can kind of see that. And what I got in it, what I purchased. Now this was a free 7-piece gift I got. And it says it's up to $191 value. And you just have to make a $54 purchase. Now what they do, they kind of trick you because their foundations are usually like 50 and 52 or 48 to 52, I think. But anyway, so this was, I wanted to get this really bad. This was $52, and so I had to spend $2 more. So I ended up spending more than $2, but I got, because I don't have anything for $2, but I got the Estee Lauder. This is a, this is, let's see what it says here. This is the brow, and it's a brow pencil. I hadn't tried it. I wanted to try it. It says Brow Perfect 3D All-in-One Styler. Now, it has 3 dimensions. So, it is, let's see here. Okay, that's the after. Okay, so here's the pencil right here. It's a fine tip, which I like. Then they have a kind of a little brush, so you can kind of shape them if you want or whatever. So I happen to already put brows on. That's the only thing I have on for this video. But I might try just a little bit of this and just see what. I'm going to like the feel of it, I can tell. Okay. And then the bottom part here is just this brow gel. So okay, I like it. I actually like it. So anyway, so that's the first thing I bought. The second thing I bought is this is the Estee Lauder Doublewear Stay in Place Powder Foundation. Now I've never tried the powder. I wear the liquid foundation regularly. I love it. So what I thought I would do today is do half my face with the powder, half my face with the other foundation. Just kind of see what difference it makes. I have never tried this on a video before, so I'm new. You know, I'm just kind of playing around, so be patient with me. It's really pretty. It's a pretty case. And what I do like about this is that the case is a really nice case, and you can also, they have refills, so you don't have to spend as much. So I think this was $52. The refills I think are $38 or something, so you can just put the refill in there. Now I hope this color, I think they're pretty good match. So let's just get going here, and I'll put some on one side and some on the other. First of all, I just shared this in a video I did. This was from my Ice Cream Beauty bag, and this is the balm. It's a primer. I'm really excited to use it. It's just really soft and just makes your skin really soft. So I'm gonna shake it a little bit, and then I'm gonna put that on first, and then I'll try the foundation. So I'm just gonna, I just put a little bit here. Okay, this spreads amazing, and I have never in my life felt a softer product. My skin feels so soft after putting on this primer. Oh, I'm excited about it. Okay, so which one should I go first? I think I'll do my liquid first because that's what I normally do. And I'm just going to put a little bit. I got a little bit on my hand. And I'm just going to put it on my face and then I'll rub it in. Okay, so here we go. Do you see a difference? A little bit. Okay, so now let's try the powder. The powder, oh, it does come with a pad. I don't know if I'm going to use this pad. I might try it, but I have a brush here that I might like better. Somehow I got a piece of hair on my face. Okay. So there's what it looks like on here. The colors should match up, but it doesn't look like they are. Now, I don't know if my face is just a little bit red from putting this on. The forehead might be a good place to judge. Okay, so this side looks a little bit more full coverage to me than this side. I'm wondering if I pick it up with use my own. Now I like that better. So forget the little sponge they give with you. You gotta get another brush that's good. I think there's a slight difference. I wanted them to match pretty perfect, and they're not bad. Now I'm going to tell you, and this is kind of what I suspected, but this is my go-to. It's just always been my go-to foundation. I love it. This one, I really wanted to try the powder because sometimes on days where I just want to do an easy makeup look or a really quick makeup look, I can just take the powder, put it on real quick, you know, whatever, and be on with, you know, get on with my day. So I think I will use this on a less makeup day, and this just continue to use when I get full on makeup ready. So I'm happy with it. It's a great product. That's what it looks like. So anyway, now do you want to see the prizes that I got with it? Okay. Actually, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and finish my makeup look, and then I'm going to come back and show you the rest. All right. Hi, I'm back. I'm back with my complete makeup look. I did a nude look, and I used my, okay, here's the deal. I'm actually filming 3 videos right now. I'm filming a nude eyeshadow palette that I got that's a dupe for the Natasha Denona I Need a Nude, and how it performed. To be able to see what this is about, you need to check out that video I just filmed. I'm not sure if it will be coming out before or after this one, but probably in either before or after. And anyway, so we'll have to see about that, what that's about. So that's my eyeshadow. I'm also filming my Ipsy BoxyCharm Icon box. So in there, I've used mascara and blush and lip product and whatever. So you'll have to check out that video for that. Now, I am going to finish with what this really is all about, the Estee Lauder. So, by the way, I want to mention with the foundation and the powder, I probably still prefer the foundation, but the powder is great because this can go in your purse and you can do touch-ups anytime you want. So I'm super excited about this. I love that you can get for $38, you can get a refill instead of paying the full $52 for it. So it's just great. It's Estee Lauder. It's great. I also used the Estee Lauder eyeliner that I got in this bag. So I love it. It's 24-hour. This is just a sample, but it's still quite a bit for a sample. And it is waterproof, 24-hour. It might end up being my favorite eyeliner. So I did kind of a dark eyeliner look because I wanted to, anyway, with the nude look, and I'm wearing black. So kind of did that. So anyway, let's see what we got though. So with the purchase of the foundation and the eyebrow pencil, so I purchased these two, and then I got free a bag full of stuff. Now I did notice that I got a primer, and I did the balm primer because I was so excited to use it. So they do have a primer in here from Estee Lauder. I will try that, but it's just a sample size, so it's just that much. And so you also, in this Think kit, I got the eyeliner. Now I have a couple of these, but I just love them. I think they might be my go-to now every day. So I'm happy I got that. You could have chosen, they also have one that has a really pretty lip. There was a lip primer and a lipstick. So we could have gotten that, but I chose the eye shadow one, the eye one. And I did also get, let's see, I did get a mascara. Their mascara is really good. Really like it. These are just sample size, but I'm opening up everything that came in here. So this is sample size mascara. Then I also got an eye cream, which I love their eye cream. At night I use these. I use the Estee Lauder. This is the Age Defying Night Serum, and I use both of these at night. I love this. Now this product right here is the biggest bottle they have is like, I think over 200, but it's very expensive, very pricey. So I love when I get samples because I can, you know, they last a long time for me, the samples, because you don't need much. So I continue, when they have a sale, you know, where you get free items, I continue to get those because then I don't have to pay full price for these products. I'm getting samples, but they're lasting me. So just something. Okay, so also in here they have, I'm probably gonna have to get my glasses for this. This is the Advanced Night Cleansing Gel. Okay, so I love their cleansers. These are really good to take off makeup also. So anyway, I like that. And the other thing we got in here is, now this is a new product to them. This is the Nutritious Melting Soft Cream Mask. So it is a mask. Okay, so that's definitely soft and creamy. Whoa. Okay, so I'm kind of excited about that. So we got the mask, the cleansing gel, the eye cream, the serum, and we got the primer sample. That was in the sample. It wasn't in my free gift. And then we got the mascara, the eyeliner. So there's all the products that came free in this darling bag. Okay, this bag is so cute. Timely for summer. It's just, it's got comics on it. So, yes, Wade, let's soak up the sun. Beat the heat. So it's just a kind of a summer fun bag. So you could take it to the pool or the beach or whatever. So anyway, I think it's just darling. Inside, it's got the polka dot, like the lighter lavender with polka dots. Super cute. So that was my free gift I got with the $54 purchase. I'll put a thing up there, and I'll also put a link. I do have a link to the Estee Lauder. So that's it. That's my Estee Lauder. So fun. Okay. And loving this product. Loving this product, the eyelash or eyebrow. So Anyway, there we go. So go check out my other videos that complete this makeup look. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.